Maybe if I just throw enough parts at it, it'll start working. Southern Pride Smoker. Look at this thing. This is one of their smaller models. Look at the size of this bad boy. This probably cook about 500 pounds of meat at a time. It's got a firebox right here. Big rotisserie in here. The problem is it doesn't know the door's open right now. It just sits there doing this. That's what we're here for. Find out what the heck happened. That's the smoke extractor there. If I open the door, you hear a click. You notice that it kicked on, it's blowing the smoke out, you hear that thing turning. Shut the door, it goes the other way. Trouble is, it doesn't always do it. See, there it didn't do it. There it didn't do it. Didn't. And it did. That's the issue we have. Clearly the door switch does work. There's the door switch right there. So here's what it looks like with the controls lowered down. There's not much going on in here, but it looks like something's been living in here for a while. Look at that. Let that hang. There's a nest. Like, I don't know what kind of nest. Something's been nesting in there. Looks like 4 solid state relays and 2 mechanical relays. Accessible from the bottom, that's cool. See, that's open to the ground, that's nice. One of those 2 relays.
I sure do miss those days. I used to steal my aunt's porn magazines.
Right now, I've got my meter leads clipped onto that relay's normally closed contacts. That relay is energized when the door is closed. My meter's hooked up to it. Watch when I open the door. 31. 8. And so on and so forth. It's different every time, and sometimes it's up in the hundreds. That relay is responsible for telling it that the door's open. Look at that, 1.5 kiloohms. That's not going to tell it the door's open. But that will. That relay needs to be replaced. And here we have our brand new relay. Just got to figure out how to get that screw out. There we go. It's just that easy. Switch over 4 wires and she's done. Hook up the little air hose to the foot pedal. See that that rotates the rotisserie. Close the door. That switches.